Hi everybody, Janabelle from East Coast Mommy, and I have a fun video for you today filled with Mother's Day gift inspiration. So let's get started. Every mom needs a treat, right? And what's better than a sweet treat made by your kids? I love the ideas of having kids make a cupcake bouquet with store-bought cupcakes. You just take some sort of container like a big mug, insert a styrofoam ball, and then use toothpicks to attach the cupcakes to the styrofoam ball. You fill in the extra spaces with some tissue paper hot glued to toothpicks, and you're done. You can also make a chocolate bar floral arrangement in a similar way. You just take a container, insert some floral foam, then you take some chocolate bars and hot glue them to the top of dowels, and then insert them into the floral foam, filling the spaces in with tissue paper. And that's it. Timbit bouquets are also easy and fun to make. Take donut holes, attach them to the top of skewers, attach the bottom of the skewers with an elastic, and wrap it in tissue paper and a ribbon. Alternatively, to keep things simple, you could bake up your mom's favorite cookie recipe and serve it in a heart-shaped dish, or grab some store-bought glazed donuts, heat them up on the barbecue, and serve them with ice cream and chocolate sauce. And if your special lady likes breakfast in bed, show her the love with this fun idea. Spell out the word love with breakfast food. Bacon makes a perfect L. You can use a donut for the O. A heart-shaped cookie cutter can be used to cut out a piece of French toast to make a V. And you can spell out the E with some fresh berries. And creating a mom's secret stash of goodies out of a plastic container from the dollar store filled with yummy goodness is also a super fun idea. Along with yummy goodies, it's also fun to show mom she's loved with some handmade creations. This handmade frame is a fun one for little ones to make. They can use glue to cover the outside of a frame with buttons, and they can insert a little sign that says moms are like buttons. They hold everything together. Mom can leave the little message inside, or she can replace it with a treasured photo. Younger kids can also make paper cards and flowers. They are even more special if you add a picture of the little one to the inside of the flower. Older kids can make mom custom jewelry. This one was made with some cardboard and hot glue was used to outline a flower. It was covered in tin foil and colored in with Sharpies. And older kids and adults can use a Cricut to make custom glassware for their mom. I like the hockey mom, dance mom, and this cheeky little mug. Teens and adults can also use their skills to make seasonal decor for their moms. I like this spring decor and this summer decor, and you can find the tutorials for those on my blog, eastcoastmommy.com. Of course, the best gift of all is time spent together, and I love a family movie night. Get some treats, pick a theme, and cuddle up with some blankets and have fun together. Have fun celebrating with your family. I know I will have a great day celebrating with my boys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.